It's never been easier to draw your favorite shapes as a pancake than with PancakeBot. First, you import the image into the software. Then you trace over the outline. After that, you go back and fill it in. Once you hit print, PancakeBot draws your pancake onto the hot griddle. It draws the first lines you drew first, so those become darker. Then it comes back and does the fill. PancakeBot uses a special vacuum and pressure system that we've developed in order to control the batter flow.
3, 2, 1, 0, liftoff!
The coolest thing about PancakeBot is the fun of using technology to print your own food in the form of your favorite character or shape. PancakeBot is technology that inspires you to create, inspires you to make, and inspires you to play with your food.
If you're like me, your morning looks a lot like this. Your peaceful rest comes to an abrupt end thanks to the blare of an alarm clock. So why do we do this to ourselves? If modern technology can solve so many problems, why do we still wake up the same way we did 30 years ago? I'd like to introduce you to Wakey. Wakey lives on your bedroom wall. In the morning, Wakey can sense where you are and gently rouse you from sleep with a focused ray of light that feels like a sunrise, followed by a focused beam of sound. So you can start your day peacefully, while others continue resting. That's how 21st century humans are supposed to wake up. Wakey works by sensing your body heat. And instead of using regular speakers that wake up everyone, Wakey uses an advanced speaker that works like a spotlight for sound. And it works even if you're snuggled closely to someone else. Wakey installs in about a minute and only needs a recharge a few times per year. The smartphone app is easy to use, and it still has a snooze feature. Wakey does not use cameras or anything that could be hijacked to violate your privacy. So keep on rocking those ridiculous pajamas.
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
Blend, 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 blend.
Owning a plan is like having a twin.
Blend,
A plan can communicate with others in your place.
Mirror robot.
A plan can go out in your place.
Mirror robot.
Plans can get together and have fun without any restrictions. A plan can even help you grow and improve.
Plan will revolutionize the relationship between humans and robots. We have developed robots to mirror humans. By expanding our capabilities with a robot, we think anyone can have fun interacting with others on an equal basis. Not only for pleasure, but in educational and medical situations too. Thus, we have ensured that anyone can easily construct and use a plan. Since it's printable, you can customize its color and design. And since it employs open source software, you can change both its program and specifications to meet your needs.
Anyone can easily build a plan and personalize it too. It employs open source software. It can learn programs created by all sorts of people. Using a 3D printer to make its parts, anyone can give a plan their own physical appearance. Each owner can customize how it's controlled. You can operate it with a smartphone application, body movements, facial expressions, myoelectrics, brainwaves, and various other input methods. Owning a plan will broaden your world.
We all love to listen to music on the go, but this isn't always easy to achieve. Managing playlists takes effort. Unstable internet connections are frustrating, and frequently having to recharge your battery simply cuts you off.
We believe listening to music should be easier, and this is why we made Ivy.
Ivy are smart standalone headphones. They open the door to more than 40 million songs. From the moment you put it on, the music is on. Ivy is easy to use. Simply swipe forward to skip a song. Tap if you like a song. Once you've liked a song, Ivy remembers it and adds it to your favorite channel. It's like having a personal DJ. Ivy learns what you like and generates playlists just for you. Switching between channels is super easy. Just use the channel ring and you're there. Through sensors, Ivy learns where and when you like to track. The more you use Ivy, the better it understands your preferences, the more it plays music you like. No more wasting time for organizing your music. Ivy organizes it for you. Selected from a library of over 40 million tracks, Ivy refreshes your music whenever you charge it. This means no more syncing with a computer, searching through apps, or waiting for songs to load. With Ivy, music is simply there, anywhere, anytime. Ivy's battery life lasts up to 40 hours. It's as if the music never stops, until you want it to. When you remove your headphones, it pauses the track automatically, so you'll never miss a beat.
We have assembled an incredibly talented, multicultural, multi-generational team from around the globe. We believe we've created a device that will revolutionize the way you listen to music. We have proven all core functionality, and we are confident we can deliver. Ivy is slimline, lightweight, and use premium, durable materials. The source of the music in the cloud is of the highest resolution. To ensure you hear it that way, we have used the highest quality drivers, the best technology in noise cancellation, with a system that allows you to listen to music in a high definition. Ivy is a result of collaboration, and many people have helped to get us to where we are today. Now we are looking to kickstart a community. With your support, we can make Ivy even better together.
Imagine what you could do with your drone if it had the ability to know the environment around it.
Instead of flying blindly, your drone could sense obstacles and respond when necessary.
With this capability, imagine the places your drone could go, the things it could do.
We are Panoptis Systems.
We are Panoptis Systems.
We are Panoptis Systems. Panoptis derives from the Greek word for all-seeing, and that's what we're all about.
Giving small drones a comprehensive perception of their environment, so they can do even more amazing things.
Things that help us capture our moments.
Things that help us explore our world.
Things that help us accomplish our work. The sky's the limit.
That's a grand vision, and we're accomplishing it one step at a time.
The first step, our first product, is the e-bumper.
E-bumper installed on a drone helps you avoid colliding with large obstacles during flight.
Here's how it works. 4 sonar sensors provide your drone with information about the environment
That is to the left, right, in front, and above it.
When e-bumper senses an obstacle in its field of view, it prevents the drone from getting too close to that obstacle.
It bumps off the object, keeping the drone at a safe distance.
You can then navigate your drone safely away from any obstruction.
E-bumper can let you do things with your drone you previously might not have dared to do. You can move in closer to objects to get a better view, confident that you will be less likely to fly into them.
You can fly your drone farther away from you, where it's more difficult to judge distance, knowing that the e-bumper will be there to help you.
Really, in situations where close proximity to objects might have held you back, the e-bumper helps you fly with confidence.
While developing e-bumper, we added some cool features, including auto takeoff and precision mode.
With a flip of a switch, auto takeoff launches your drone and then holds it about 6 feet off the ground. This works both indoors and out, meaning no more fears of takeoff or crashing into your ceiling.
Precision mode is another great feature that we've added into the e-bumper.
Essentially, precision mode softens up the control inputs on your remote. You can now more precisely position and control your drone in a cluttered environment.
The e-bumper is available as a retrofit kit for the Phantom line of drones from DJI, as well as the Iris Plus from 3D Robotics. More advanced versions of Panoptis products for faster flight regimes, as well as additional aircraft, are already on the drawing board. We are very excited about the e-bumper. Our initial beta testers are excited about the product, and we are ready to scale to full rate production.
To do that, we need your support. We invite you to join Panoptis on this journey as we bring drones comprehensive, all-seeing perception of their flight environment.
and imagine, along with us, all the amazing things you'll see when you explore the world with confidence.
My name is Jeremy. I'm one of the founders at Jai Technology, creator of the Remix Ultra tablet, the world's first Android-based productivity tablet. Let me start by saying we're not the average Kickstarter project. Jai was founded by 3 ex-Googlers back in 2014. We wanted to build the best OS for a tablet, but very soon we realized in order to build the best software possible, we also have to do the hardware. Alan Kay once said, people who are serious about software do their own hardware, and that's where we are. We created an Android-based operating system called Remix OS. This OS is completely customized for creating content on your tablet. It combines the hardware and the software to give you a full productivity environment as if you're using a laptop. So what makes us an unconventional Kickstarter project? Well, we've already created a tablet. We're based in China, and we've already begun selling in China. So you might ask, why are we reaching out to you? We believe the Kickstarter community is the perfect place for us to begin reaching out to our future users. You guys are passionate, genuine, and curious. We want to give you an unprecedented opportunity to be our earliest adopters in the US. Every startup has risks, but we want to wager our biggest gamble on you by putting our device in your hands so that you can experience exactly what we're envisioning for the future. Rather than simply expressing our gratitude with a thank you note, we want to give our tablet to as many of our backers as possible. The Kickstarter community is visionary, innovative, and influential, and we're excited to invite you to join us on our journey in creating a better OS for productivity. Let us know if you want to be a part of this initial testing community by backing us at any tier.